Hello kids, how are you? I'm fine, but I miss you. Today I want to explain you how to use comparatives. Okay, do you remember that last time I told you to pay attention to some things on page number 82 and 83. I'm speaking about the dialogue. Okay, so you can use comparative to compare two things or people. For example, we can say that Sarah is taller than Sam. Okay? Or we can also say Jenny is fatter than Tina. Okay? We can also say, look here, eccolo qua, Eddie is smaller than the teacher's bag. Okay? Also, the teacher's bag is heavier than Eddie. Okay? And here we spoke about short adjective. Short adjective that need ER and then. Okay? So I put it here. So that short adjective, then after. Okay? I repeat. Sarah is taller than Tina. Okay? For example. And with long adjective, we need another thing. For example, Nutella is more delicious than a carrot. Okay? This sweater is more expensive than this one. Okay, this is had this sweater. This is my sweater. Okay, and also lions are more dangerous than Eddie. Eccolo qui. Okay, so do you understand that with long adjective we need more before them? So more plus long adjective, then here. Okay? These are comparatives. Okay? I hope you enjoy this little lesson, and see you soon. A kiss.